Hey guys, so we're going to the supermarket. Shade make her late because what she did do? Sleep. She sleep. Shade said she was leaving at 12. I was still there. We just got to the supermarket now. Go get some fish to steam. So let's see how that go. I guess she will check in back with you guys. Or reach to the supermarket. I probably will reach downstairs.
Nice and clean, and you ever look good. The tree not growing, and your face and your man too. That you say you're quite alright.
Hey guys, now we're gonna go look for Nisha's sister and the baby. So yes, we might vlog it, we might not, you know.
We not vlog the people them out. We not go, don't go in.
She said we can vlog, but we're gonna ask first, right? We're gonna ask permission. Might see little baby on the vlog.
Hey guys, I'm alive.
Yes,
but
after she recovered from 10 hours of napping. She said I had a hurt her, but we shall see where the day takes us. She already sleep out the whole night to rest. Look, we can put that on YouTube.
Like they practically slept more than everybody else did. We invited Day for a weekend. We begged her to come down here.
Oh, do not beg me. Oh God.
I do never beg. She
Day basically slept the whole damn weekend.
Guys,
and I'm the driver at all times, and I'm not even sleeping.
Guys,
I got the least amount of sleep.
Guys, my head hurt me, right? I'm tell him so. My head hurt me like I get frequent headaches. So when my head is hurting me, I have to take 800 milligrams of pill. Them, first of all, Nish give me one pill, that's a 200. What does I go do? That only take away 1/4 of the idiot. Then she give me one next one, just take away 1 off of the idiot. So the idiot still look at them, give me the full dose. What I want. And then I compensate me asleep. I try to sleep off the idiot what them I give me. Because you know, sister, ultimately they must stress me out. So reach the people them out, but now like give me a
Yet.
Gotta ask for me. So
hi Tristan.
Tristan.
Look at him.
Oh, that's my sister.
Hi, hello. Hi. Look at Tristan, everyone. Say hi, everyone.
Y'all forgot the bag.
I'm Tristan.
Not bad. Oh, the bag you
We
gave
forgot
me.
the bag. The bag what she leave to take up?
It's on the back seat. We'll leave Nisha's parents' house. No, Trish, the baby keep on a bottle because I'm gonna say my bottle because I'm in ear.
But
everybody
put him to
But I put him to sleep though. I put that ass to sleep. I put him to sleep.
I love that.
He loved me because listen, he fell asleep in my hand every
Yes,
time.
smile down. Just
Alright.
but baby are like here.
And I think because we're strangers to probably in family, you know. Yeah, so he felt probably a little bombarded by us, but yeah, but what time you know? I said I was leaving at 12, 1 o'clock, right? 12, 1 o'clock, I'm gone. And fish easy to steam, so listen, but not 5, 6 o'clock, but no man, I have to reach up early. You is uncle right away. I need your yard.
Yeah, go work.
I have to go up, man. My head still like right afternoon. My migraine.
How about my nails?
About the mom?
Yeah. Sorry guys, sorry. She have bleep that.
Yeah, but I sure am, because YouTube, you know what, YouTube alone have bleep that so for me. But we're gonna go out Presidente and go get groceries.
Yeah.
So we can make dinner and then depart.
Keto friendly dinner.
Keto friendly, yeah, because keto starts today. Well, tomorrow. Tomorrow because I didn't eat my leftover from Red Lobster. I didn't even eat my meal at Red Lobster last night.
Tired.
I was tired. So after I drank my drink and ate the appetizer, I just packed up my meal. I literally didn't eat it, so I ate it this morning. What is there? But we'll check back in when we get to Presidente.
Hey.
So Presidente for late dinner.
Guys, they even got bami. My name is bami though.
The fish sauce that she's talking about, isn't it the fish sauce over here?
No, I don't get some.
How much? 2. Hey folks. Who used to bed with this?
Oh, what that?
Carbolic
soap, the red soap. Me used to be with Castile soap, but carbolic soap, I don't like carbolic soap. Carbolic soap, me have an uncle. Jesus Christ, if you put this on YouTube, me have an uncle with carbolic soap. I used to eat the smell of carbolic, the big old dirty stinking red soap them. Me don't like carbolic soap.
Cool, let me wash my face
with the cake soap. Hey. You should vlog, Niche. Y'all should tell Niche to vlog. I could get these at Walmart. Them at Walmart too.
My husband's favorite chips. We fight over this, guys.
I've never had those.
Girl.
This is my favorite. No, that's not
my husband and I, we fight over this.
Are they the right one?
Like, I buy them by the bulk when I'm in Jamaica. And we literally have fights over plantain chips. Spicy plantain chips.
This is my favorite, y'all. This right here.
What, cassava?
No, it's plantains, but the right plantains. Alright with cheese, alright.
Listen, guys.
Oh, show them. I think I need to put them.
Yeah, I'm
if I get Jamaican man, so them that eat Shirley.
Well, guys, we have everything down here.
I want to know how I feel about my better back, my better pack curry.
The best.
Listen. Who want me can't eat curry again? Oh, you know what we want?
Yes, we can.
The ballerina tea.
Listen, guys, they're gonna talk about this damn ballerina tea. I refuse to have stomach issues because of ballerina tea. Look.
Oh, them Alaska, Jesus. Guys, I'm getting this. It's a good, like when I start my diet now, it's a good way to detox your body. You from now till the morning. You poo-poo you boo-boo from now till the morning, but it work. It cleanses out your system. Me, I get it.
I'll go the more natural route. Rika, we coming.
I'm about to make this in the car.
She ain't got no use whatsoever. Okay.
It requires about 5 minutes. Promote
big promoter, guys.
You should promote the channel.
And tune in on Fridays. Oh, well, Friday nights.
Yeah.
Friday nights
at 7 p.m. Not like what we did. Go to Chef Rika in the kitchen. Chef Broya Reek. No, sir.
So, guys, I was doing a promo for Dave's channel. Let me show y'all. Oh, Lord, I can't even find it. I did a promo on my WhatsApp because I'm trying to get her some new followers. Let me see if this camera will focus and I'll figure it out. But oh well.
You do it. Show the phone. She did a whole speech, y'all. Guys, I look crazy. I'm editing. I'm not stressed now. Let me see if I reach my 12 o'clock tonight.
So, look at this.
Hi guys.
Chef Broya Rika. Look at this. Steamed fish and Rice coming along and veggies. We trying to get the steamed fish and okra. Well, I got more than steamed fish and okra body. I got steamed fish, yam, and dasheen body.
My body strong like your mother gear growing from a John.
Yes.
We have porridge body, but thick.
And
Thick like porridge.
yeah, trying to get on this keto thing that they're trying to introduce me to. And it's going to be hard for me because, you know, I am kind of I'm a junkie when it comes to chocolate and cookies, or not cookies per se, but chocolate infused infested foods, yes, and honey and all that stuff.
But you look like a woolly for chocolate.
It broke.
It what?
It broke.
It broke?
It will break.
Oh, it's hard chocolate. It's
Yes.
a hard cookie.
Look at that. Look at all this goodness. Yeah, so that's my #1 addiction, guys.
I don't like it.
She don't need to like it. Yeah, but yeah, that's my addiction. So they is getting me on this thing right here. And it's actually good. Listen, I don't know how to vlog because I'm tall and I feel like, and I got weak arms, guys. I feel like I can't handle this kind of life. To walk around with a camera, okay? Can't manage it. So guys, yeah, I can't manage. Too old for this. Left arm don't function right now. The right arm trying to go out on me. Can't handle it.
Ratty, did I put the intro in the last vlog?
But back today. Okay, guys.
In the vlog. Freeze.
The food is done now, so it's steamed fish, rice, veggies, and here's the finished plate. Don't mind the fishy detail, we might take the big broth. But that's it. Let me see. And they are good. Need to be a little more focused. But yeah, that's it. But I like gravy, so mine might look a little bland. But when Nish and they taste it, then we'll tell you how it is.
If she can't cook, we'll tell y'all.
Especially Nish. Shade might not tell them, but Nish will tell them.
Hey guys, we got a little crazy. So this concludes our weekend trip. Oh my god, why do I look so crazy? But like I got my cut off this African something here. Because I want the remote there. I don't know about the man that make too much noise. We'll soon come back when we find the remote.
Guys, I'm leaving Shade now.
Me I left too. We are left Nish.
We are leave Nish. Me I go work. Shade I go home. Long drive, you know. My Uber probably like 2 minutes away, 1 minute away. And Nish I go clean up after all the mess me and Shade made. Sorry, Nish. Bye guys, until next time. Me I soon again sometime in the vlog. If not me soon upon Shade live. Bye.
So guys, I'm going to leave now. I'm going to leave 1 o'clock.
The 1 o'clock never worked, and then she said she's going to leave at 7, and it's after
to eat.
It's 7:29.
Okay,
guys.
But the reason why I never left 7 because I'm gonna try to upload the vlog.
This is the mailbox. Oh, but he's at the back.
Oh, you're in the back.
Tell him he gotta come all the way around.
Tell him you're right at the front. Rika,
okay, thank you so much.
Rita order our Uber. So she's going back down and I'm heading south. Well, I'm north.
I'm going south.
And she's going south. Why?
Yes, guys.
It was a good weekend. Next time I do my jail come up because I told them and I want me.
We'll come up sometime, probably the first weekend of March.
Anytime when you're ready.
Peace.
Say bye. Alright, bye.